welcome back to our channel Naari. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. So it's very important to clean your makeup brushes, otherwise you'll break out, you'll get the breakouts, the acne, pimple problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Two methods to clean the makeup brushes. One is deep cleansing and other one is spot cleansing. The spot cleansing is very easy. I'll show you how. So here I have the Bioderma makeup remover. You can use this as your makeup brushes also. I'll take a few drops on a tissue paper. You can use a toilet paper, tissue paper. You can use kitchen rolls also for this. And just do in the circular motion. How your makeup brush is. Like if it's a stippling brush, then do in a circular motion. Guys, always do. So it's a stippling brush. Do in a circular motion. If you will not do in a circular motion, then your brush might get spoiled, and obviously you don't want to spoil your brushes. See guys how easy it is to stand. See guys, it's so easy, so simple. So now I'm going to clean the most stubborn brush. It's Kajal Smudger. Take a few drops. See how dirty it is. And now see guys, the same way spot cleansing. It's very simple, very easy, without any mehnat and all. See, it's almost done. So guys, we are done with the spot cleansing. Now another method is deep cleansing. So for deep cleansing, you need to take a hand wash, few drop of hand wash. You can use this cheap hotel shampoos and conditioner. Why to waste your own? The second, you can take this conditioner, and the third is this shampoo. Mix them all together. This one is little and mix them all together, form a paste. This one is, it's a difficult one, but it's a cheap one. So now I'm taking my liner brush, like for the kajal and all, I use this brush. Just keep this. So guys, always remember, do not put this part in the water or in this, because this contains glue. So if you just dip this in the water or something, then your brush will be no more longer. And now I'll show you how. See guys, now you can see the difference. See the new brush. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Thank you. Bye.